Hey everyone, welcome back to Time to Twin It. Today we're making this spooky, cute Nightmare Before Christmas pipe cleaner wreath. Perfect for Halloween or adding a little Halloween Town magic to your room decor. Let's grab our supplies and get started. Black, red, and yellow marker, 5 green pipe cleaners, an index card, string, scissors, hot glue gun. Everything I'm using today is either from Dollar Tree or something you already have at home, so this is totally budget friendly. Step 1. Choose your wreath size. Start by choosing what size you want your wreath to be by selecting a marker to wrap the pipe cleaner around. Smaller ones work better, but I'll wrap these 3 with a larger pin first to show you the size difference. The most notable thing is not being able to see the gaps in the smaller coil. That tighter look makes your wreath fuller and neater. Let's retwist and tighten these 3 up. Step 2. Form the wreath base. Now take all 4 coils and thread them with other pipe cleaner. Arrange the pipe cleaners so they line up. Next, thread one end of the pipe cleaner through the second or third loop of your coil and twist it together. This is what forms your circular wreath shape. Okay, this part's a little tricky. If you're crafting along with me, let me know how yours is turning out. I love seeing how everyone's versions look different. So if you make this, tag us with Time to Twin It so we can feature your wreath. Once you've got your shape, fluff and adjust it until it's nice and even. Step 3. Make the red bow. Get your index card and fold it in half. Draw a red bow. Take your time. I'm using a darker red to add shadows and give the bow some dimension. You can even blend in a little yellow for a warm glow effect. Cut it out carefully, and now we've got a beautiful handmade bow for our wreath. Step 4. Jack Skellington skull. Draw out a small Jack Skellington skull. For the outline, I made it really thick to give myself more room for cutting and less room for error. Now let's make the eyes. This part is kind of dangerous, especially with gloves, but we're going to need these gloves for protection when we get to the hot glue. couple dots later, and we're ready to make the teeth. Just make long, sharp cuts at a diagonal back and forth. Curve the teeth and glue them in place to make them look 3D.
If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, subscribe, and share it.
Now with the skull glued on, glue the eyes in place next. It's really starting to look like something straight out of Halloween Town. Now step 5, final touches. Use a hook or string to hang. If you use string, just thread it through one of the coils and you're done.